Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve data on Gmail, you will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Gmail and you can click. Here you can go to first step and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.